If a student has any question regarding a subject, then they can ask on the ask feature on the app. You can check the questions asked by students on the same feature. Click on the ask feature and then select the classroom you want to check questions for. Here you can see all the questions. Now, if you can also see the questions which are directed only to you. You can answer them by clicking on the answer button and then click on answer button, and this will notify the student who has asked you the question. You can also search different questions by clicking on the search button, and you can edit or delete the answer that you have given. Click on the three dots that you see beside the answer and then click on edit to edit the answer, and you can either delete it by clicking on the delete button. Thank you.